guys, so this is going to be a collaboration using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is going to be a collab with the gorgeous, the diva herself, Fumi Desalu-Vold. Boo! I am urging you guys to check out her YouTube channel. If you want to talk luxury, if you want to talk Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, if you want to talk luxury, you want Fumi in your life. She is just an icon in the truest form of the word. She is literally an icon. She's literally a fashion icon. She has worked with the best. She has been trained by the best. I love her YouTube channel and her relationship with her and her husband Ole. I admire their relationship. Oh, it's Jonathan. I see moving the thing. I admire their relationship so much. Fumi, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I love you. Please check her out. I'll link her channel in the description bar below. So for my brows, I have a eyebrow tutorial in the description bar below, so you can check that out. But I'm just drawing them in. I am growing back my brows, however, because my husband says he has never seen my real brows, so I'm growing them back, guys, and it is a struggle growing these brows back. So the full tutorial is in the description bar. And by the way, hi, for those of you coming over from Fumi's channel, how you doing? How are you? Anyway, so I'm just filling in with a brown eyeliner pencil that I bought here locally. Then I'm going to be taking this color right here and I'm placing that in my crease, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. This fluffy brush is life from BH Cosmetics. I love to put it in my crease. Now I have hooded eyes, so I tend to focus mostly on the outside of my eyes. Notice where I'm placing that second color right on the outside of my eyes to bring the drama there. Now I'm taking the Anastasia pens brush itself, and I'm applying this color again in the crease, just kind of layering everything in the crease on the outside, so the drama is on the outside. Next, I'm taking my MAC paint pot and I'm putting that all over my lid so that the color that I'm applying now will appear a bit more vibrant, and of course for it to stay a little bit longer. So I'm putting that all over my lid. Now if you're new to my channel, which some of you are, I normally wing my looks, so I was just going with the flow right here. Then I'm going in back with, and you see I'm mouthing to myself, I'm going in with a love letter here, as I said. And I'm placing that all over my crease. Now this palette has a lot of reds in it, which I truly don't mind, so I went in with some more red look with like an orange for the lid. Then I'm taking this color here on the brow bone, and the trick to growing out your brows and filling them in is to just lay the hairs flat every chance you get. Then I'm going with ochre here, and I'm taking that in my crease, and that's the dark color that I'll be using. And notice I'm flicking it up, and I'm flicking it up to blend with the other crease colors that I've laid. So I'm focusing it on the outside of my crease again, as you can see. Then I'm just going to flick it up for it to blend with the other colors that I laid down before. Then I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be focusing it on the inside right there, but that area of my eyes. I love recently putting color on that area of my eyes. Then I'm going in back with this color, and I'm tapping it on. So I'm tapping this on so the color appears more vibrant and a bit more richer and deeper. Now because you laid that dark brown underneath, this will help the color to appear darker. So by patting it on, you're kind of mixing those two. So now I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to bring my eyeliner far down on my face, on my face. Reason being, for me, I tend to crease under my eyes, and I wanted this to be a smoky look, but I wanted the smoked out look to be on the bottom of my eyes. So I'm dragging this all the way down so that when I blink or move or whatever, you don't see that black line that you would normally leave because of the creasing. Then I'm going to be going in with this eyeshadow color. I think this is Love Letter, because I really love Love Letter. It's a really nice color, nice pinky red. And as you can see, I'm laying it right underneath the black eyeliner, and I'm going to go on top as well. Now Jonathan, that's my son, was not giving me no breaks this morning. Okay, no whatsoever. none. Oh, and by the way, my foundation routine is linked in the description bar below. You see how low I'm bringing that color? Because I want the red to show almost like a bruised kind of a look. Now, the creme de la creme, my Bobbi Brown shimmer brick. This Bobbi Brown shimmer brick is everything to me. I love the glow it gives. It's very subtle. It is buildable. I love it. Then I'm going in with Pink Princess Cosmetics lipstick, and it can be found out here in Jamaica at Fontana Pharmacy. And guys, that's the look. The lashes I'm wearing are my Fumi lashes by FumiByLyric.com. They're called Fashionista, and that's the look, you guys. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Again, Fumi, I love you so much. The lip liner I'm using is by LA Colors, and it's called Smooth Plum. Fumi, my love, I love you so much. Thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me, and you guys, thank you for coming over. And I want to take the time out to just extend my condolences to everyone who has lost a loved one, a father, a son, an auntie, an uncle, a mother, due to violence, more specifically violence from the people that we actually trust to keep us safe. Here in Jamaica, we have our own dealing with police and violence, but with our police out here, it's not really a racial issue. It's more of a God complex. Like, they have the authority, so they do whatever they want to. They run lights, they have their broken tail lights. It's just, they just do what they want to out here. And just recently, a young girl was shot in the head by a policeman in, I think the vehicle that she was in. They were chasing it, and they opened fire in a moving vehicle with civilians in there with no threat. The driver had no gun, no nothing. He was just probably running from the police, and they opened fire, shooting a girl in the head. Thank God she didn't die though, but she got shot in the head. And the last I checked, no policeman has fessed up to what has happened. Everybody's keeping that one policeman safe. And that, for that to happen last week, and then for the event to take place in America for these past couple of days, it just really shook me, and it left me honestly very solemn, very, I don't say depressed, but it just left me wondering what is going to happen, because we keep on saying it's 2016, but it doesn't seem like anything is going to change. And my heart goes out to everyone who's hurting. I know for some of us YouTubers, we, as who said it, Samantha said it, that we have such a huge platform, and would ask you guys to like, subscribe, and hey, buy Fumi, buy this, buy that, support my line. But when it comes to, and forgive me for saying this, but real issues, that's a matter of life and death, we tend to go silent, or do a little Snapchat about it, and we move on. There's nothing dedicated to lives being lost on a daily basis, lives being lost that we have not even heard about. Right now, I'm literally clutching Jonathan in my arms, and it's just so sad to know that, God forbid, just God forbid.
Stop making it about something that it's not. It's about bringing justice and trying for change and a reform. It's not about you. It's not anti-police. It's about anti-systematic oppression and racism. It's about addressing the issue at the root, at the base. And until we acknowledge that, stop finding the stupid excuses and trying to brush things off and dismiss it and cover it up and pull this veil over. All lives matter. Oh, you're anti-white. It's police brutality. It is. And the sooner we acknowledge that it is, the sooner we can start making changes. And this video isn't going to do anything if I don't go out and actively pursue a change.
So I ended this collab by saying, Fumi, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. Samantha, thank you for making that video. And Tina, thank you for making that video. And for you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. And remember, your last interaction with your loved one, let it be heartfelt, let it be warm, let it be love. Bye guys.